Hello everyone, welcome to IT Primary. This is the third in the series of videos being developed for desktop support technicians to resolve different email related requests or incidents. In today's video, we will see how to add users to a distribution list or a distribution group. We have already created a distribution list named Second Trial in our previous video. I have mentioned the link to that video in my description below. We would be using this distribution list to demonstrate different ways of adding members to a distribution list. So let's begin. Basically, there are three ways of adding members to a distribution list. The first method is through the distribution list object in Active Directory. So let's open our Active Directory, find, and then let's search for the distribution list. Now once you find it, you have to double click on it, go to members option and click on add. In here, you have to type the name of the account which you want to add to the distribution list. Once you're done typing, click on check names to see if the account actually exists. There you go. Now click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK again. That's it. Now Aaron Smith has been added to the second trial distribution list as a member. Second method of adding members to a distribution list is also through Active Directory. Now you first search for the account which you want to add to the distribution list. Then double click on it and open it. Go to Member of tab and click on Add. In here, you now search for the name of the distribution list. In my case, it is Second Trial. Click on check names to check if the name is correct. And now click on OK. Click on apply. Click on OK again. There you go. Now Caesar Smith has been added as a member to the distribution list second trial. The third method of adding members to a distribution list is through on-prem Exchange Admin Center. Once you're logged into Exchange Admin Center, you go to Groups and search for the distribution list. In our case, we only have one distribution list, so I don't have to search for it. I can just go ahead and double click on it. Go to the membership tab and here just click on the plus icon here. Search for the name of the account which you want to add to this distribution list. Double click on the name. OK. Click on save. And there you go. Now the third account, Nathan Smith, has been now added to the second trial distribution list. As we have discussed already, these changes are made in on-prem Exchange server or Active Directory, so it needs time to sync to O365 server. Usually the sync time is about 30 minutes, so within 30 minutes, the members added to the distribution list would be active. If you have any questions, doubts, or suggestions regarding this video, then kindly mention it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe button. And please share it with your IT colleagues. See you on the next one.